Welcome to Alan's Money Moment, where you'll discover insider secrets on how to save time, energy, and money when buying, selling, refinancing, renovating, and maintaining your home. This episode is brought to you by Alan Welch of Royal Lending, a trusted mortgage provider for California home buyers. Now, here's your Money Moment.
Okay, today we're going to talk about how Airbnb income can help you qualify for mortgage refinancing. Are you renting your home through Airbnb, or have you ever thought about it? You might after you watch this video. Ever since the Great Recession, mortgage lenders have been very strict in verifying a borrower's ability to repay a loan. The result for some homeowners is that their income now isn't high enough for them to qualify for refinancing or getting a second mortgage, which means they don't have access to equity to fund renovations or their kids' education. Earlier this year, Fannie Mae introduced a pilot program designed to help more homeowners refinance by taking into account earned income through Airbnb rentals. Here are 6 tips for using Airbnb income when applying for a mortgage. Tip number 1. Airbnb tracks the rental income the hosts earn and will now provide the documentation to lenders for a mortgage or refinance application. Tip number 2. A 12-month history of Airbnb earnings is required. Tip 3. The home must be your primary residence. The program doesn't apply to investors using multiple homes solely as rental properties. Tip number 4. All of the other normal underwriting criteria remain in place, including credit score, loan-to-value ratio, etc. Tip number 5. The program is initially available to 3 lenders: Better Mortgage, Quicken Loans, and Citizens Bank. Tip number 6. In addition to assisting with refinances, this new Fannie Mae program could potentially allow buyers to qualify for larger mortgages and help prevent financially challenged homeowners from defaulting on their mortgages. For instance, if you're already an Airbnb host and you encounter some kind of financial hardship, you could potentially rent out another bedroom in order to stabilize your income. However, keep in mind that Airbnb income, like any other form of income, has risks over time. Since the rent-sharing industry is still relatively new and in its growth phase, finding renters today may be relatively easy. But as the industry matures and more Airbnb hosts start competing for renters in your area, your Airbnb income could decrease. On top of that, many cities are considering laws to permit part-time rentals, which could have a major impact on Airbnb income. So there you have it. I've just given you 6 tips for using your Airbnb income to qualify for a new mortgage or a refinance. For more information and to discuss how you might be able to benefit from this program, call us today.
Thank you for tuning into this episode of Alan's Money Moment. If you have any questions or comments, please call Alan today at 530-741-3100.